At Wavin, our purpose is to build healthy, sustainable environments. As industry leader, we have a responsibility to improve the use of renewable energy around the world. As part of Wavin's sustainability strategy, we have committed ourselves to continuous improvement of our operations by investing in renewable energy. Wavin's target will directly contribute to our corporate's global goal of net zero carbon emissions by 2050. One of these initiatives are that almost 5,000 solar panels were installed by SolarAccess at our Wavin sites in the Netherlands. They generate 1,500 megawatts of green energy yearly. These 16,500 square meters of solar panels add up to a reduction of 1,100 tons of CO2 emissions yearly. That equals approximately 500 households. Thank you SolarAccess for the great collaboration. We look forward to implementing more projects together.